Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. And oh my gosh, guys, I have an amazing deal for you all on the Shutterfly app. You guys are not even going to believe it, but I saved over $100 and got everything for free. So I can't wait to share it with y'all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into this deal. So on your screen here, you are seeing a picture of my phone. That's why it's kind of real blue and maybe a little bit blurry, but this was the only way that I could show you all this picture right here because it would not let me screenshot it so that it would be nice and clear for you. So I do apologize, but this was the only way that I could show you this particular screen. So basically right up there at the top, it says promos and gift cards applied 5 at a total of 5 promo codes. My total items, my subtotal was $69.94. Shipping would have been $32.96. Taxes zeroed out. Total savings $102.90. Total paid out of pocket $000. So everything was completely free. So basically what's happening is on the Shutterfly app, they normally have promo codes for free items and you just have to pay the shipping and handling. But right now, it seems like there's some kind of glitch going on where the promo codes are all stacking. And there's also a promo code for free shipping. So everything is like zeroing out and making it completely free. So I'm going to walk you through step by step what you need to do so that you can get in on this deal too. So here's the thing. I did the deal around 3 a.m. in the morning. I know it is very late or very early, depending on how you want to look at it. But I woke up in the middle of the night. I was scrolling through Instagram and bam, this deal was smacked right in front of me. So I ran, I did the deal, and it worked out perfectly. So the thing is that I'm not going to be able to do this deal again to see if all of the codes are still working. Now, the only one that I'm not sure if it will still work in the morning, I'm guessing whenever the majority of you guys see this video, is the free shipping code. Now, I do have a second free shipping code for you all to try if it does not work on that first code. And then once I have my husband's phone available and can download the app and get him signed up and all of that, I can try to do the deal again. But it's up to you guys to try this deal out and let me know down in the comment section if it works. And if you guys come back and let me know what worked for you or maybe something didn't work out, please let me know what day you tried this deal on and what time. And that way I can kind of keep track. And then once it is a dead deal, I can come back and leave that in a pinned comment in the comment section. All right. But I guarantee you all, you will get some free items out of these promo codes. So I'm going to walk you through this step by step, and let's go ahead and get into this. Alright guys, so step 1, super simple and easy. Open up your app store and download the Shutterfly app and sign up. Now you can either sign up with your email, and I think there was also a link to where you could just sign up with your Facebook account as well. So download the app and sign up. Now here's a little tip. You can add all of your items to your cart and test the deal out first. You can test all of those promo codes out, and then once you have everything added and you know which promo codes are still working, you can go back and customize all of your items. You can add your pictures. You can select the shapes, the colors, the fonts, the color of the font, all kinds of awesome things. So go ahead and add everything to your cart. Type in all of these promo codes that I'm going to give you, and then go back to customize your items, and that will save you a ton of time. Alright guys, step number 2, add 1 reusable shopping bag to your cart. These are normally $16.99, but right now on the app they are $10.99. So you can just go up to the top of your app and you're going to see a little search bar there. Type in reusable shopping bag and then choose which one that you want to get. And just make sure that they are normally priced at $16.99, and there is a big variety to choose from. All right, guys, step 3, add one easel back canvas. So these are normally $24.98. Right now they are marked down to $12.49. And again, you can just go up to the search bar, type in easel back canvas, and it should pop up right there at the top for you. Now, I did have a couple of issues on a couple of these items where I would click on the easel back canvas that popped up directly underneath the search bar, and it would pop up some kind of error message. So if that happens, just click on the next one down. Usually there were like 2 or 3 options that said easel back canvas, and that should take you to the next page, and you'll see something similar to this picture right here. All right, guys, step 4, we are going to add one 5x8 notebook. These are normally $18.98. Right now, they are marked down to $9.49. And again, make sure that you scroll all the way down so that you can see all of the available options. They have notebooks that just have patterns on them. They have notebooks that you can just type out a message. They have notebooks that you can add a picture onto and maybe the year. So make sure that you scroll all the way down and choose the one that you like the best. All right, guys, and step number 5, you are going to add one metal ornament. These are normally $29.99. They are marked down right now to $14.99, and again, a big variety to choose from. All right, guys, and step number 6, we are going to start entering the promo codes. So the first one I want you to try is for free shipping, and this is ShipGifts, ShipGifts. Now, if that free shipping code does not work, I want you all to try this new free shipping code that just popped up on the app. So it is code SHIPIT, SHIPIT. All right, guys, so the rest of these promo codes I don't think you're going to have any issue with. So the next one is code FREEBAG, FREEBAG, and that is for the free reusable shopping bag. All right, the next code is for that free 5x7 easel back canvas. So if you have an Android phone, you want to enter the code EASELBACK, EASELBACK. If you have an iPhone, you want to enter the code IKEA Canvas, IKEACANVAS. All right, next up, this code's kind of weird, but this one is for the free 5x8 notebook. So here we go. It is LTUCF21ANB. All right, guys, so I think we are now on step number 7. So for this one, you are going to need to text the word ornament to 24563. You're going to wait for them to reply to you. They're going to ask you if you want to sign up for like some text alerts. You're going to reply Y for yes, and then they're going to send you your code for a free metal ornament. So here's just a screenshot of what those text messages will look like, and then down there at the bottom, they did give me my free metal ornament code. All right, guys, so here is a screenshot of where all of my promo codes were applied. Now, as you can see up there at the top, that is the free shipping code. That's the one that I wasn't sure of because it does say it expired in 56 minutes from the time that I took that screenshot. So I'm not sure if that'll work for you guys this morning, but either way, I think it's a great deal whether you get free shipping or not. But definitely try that second free shipping code that I gave you all if the first one does not work. All right, guys, now the rest of those promo codes looks like we are good to go for a while. Now, I'm not sure if they will all stack in the same transaction for you. Like I said, I'm pretty sure that this is just a glitch where all of these promo codes are stacking and working together. So definitely do this deal as soon as you can. But we'll go through them real quickly here. We have the one free reusable shopping bag. That promo code is good until January 1st of 2022. We have the free 5x7 easel back. That one's good until February 1st of 2022. We have the free metal ornament code. That one is good until March 1st. And then we have the app exclusive free 5x8 notebook. That one is good until August 1st of 2022. So if for whatever reason this glitch does get fixed and all of these codes don't work together, maybe you're watching this video later on in the week, maybe you're watching it next week, maybe you're watching it a month from now, okay? These codes are still good for a long time. We have months to take advantage of these freebies. So even if you don't get in on this glitch where they're all working in one transaction with the free shipping, you can still get some really, really good deals. And I think these are great gift ideas. So even for Christmas, birthdays, or hey, I am so excited about my new notebook. I even put my Craz-E Coupons logo on it. So even if you're watching this later on down the line, definitely go ahead and try these promo codes out and get your free items. Now, like I said before, after I went through the checkout process, I did receive my confirmation email. So that's what you're seeing on the screen here. So again, I had a total savings of $102.90, and I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Coupon Crazy Cat on Instagram, because her post was the one that I saw and I was like, oh my gosh, I've got to get up, I've got to try this deal, and here I am. It's like 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning, and I'm making a YouTube video so that you guys can get in on this deal too. And like I said, I am super excited about all of these awesome items, but I'm really excited about these two right here. I just slapped the Craz-E Coupons logo on that reusable shopping bag and the notebook. So I have a new coupon bag and a new couponing notebook. So I'm really, really excited to see how these turn out. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all have a wonderful day and good luck. I hope you guys can get in on these freebies. Now, I am going to go ahead and head on back to bed before I have to get up and take these kiddos to school. But before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all already know I love hearing from you. So go ahead and leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.